We are still on Sunday, December 1st, 2013, and now it's going to be time to crack these two packs here. These are pretty nice packaging, actually. This whole case is acrylic or what have you, so it would make a nice display piece. But we're not going to display it that way. Take out of the box. And there's more packaging. There we go. So there it is. It's actually a really nice display case rather. Gives you a little blurb about the cars in the back. I'm half tempted to leave that in the packaging. For now, I think I am. Because they are screwed in, I don't feel like unscrewing them right now either. It's a really nice piece. We might as well open up the car show one too. There's a little emblem up here for, I guess, 40th anniversary for Hot Wheels. So apparently that was one series. And the next one we'll probably crack them at a later date. I just don't feel like doing it today. And the next one is right here. Little diorama in the background there. And the same thing. It's got a little blurb about it. Really nice case. Plus, it might be difficult. Oh, no, it's not. Pops right off. The screws are right there in the bottom. It does appear that these have opening hoods. Get that little band off there. Maybe not. I don't know what that band would be for then. Maybe one of them does. Yeah, one of them does, one of them doesn't. They must have stuck the band on both cars. There's those two. Open up the other one. Just to do it. I thought the plastic would break, but I guess not. There's those. There are the other two. And not a whole lot of detail. On the other ones, we do have painted, actually clear lights on one of them. Painted tail lights, headlights. This one, these do. I'm not sure how they decided which one would get painted headlights and which one wouldn't. So, put these back on, they just simply kind of clamp in place. Yeah, we might leave them like that for now. Yeah, we'll find some place for them for the time being. And we'll crack them when we get bored one day. But it's about not quite 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I got a lot to do today. That's why I'm not real excited. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, post those below. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.